Okay, so the last part of today's lesson was making a cloud. It's going to be a flat cloud if I flip back to the one, so it's going to be similar to this. Now you might notice that that's just a series of circles. So you're going to start the cloud by opening sketch 1. Now keep in mind you can't see the other ghost. So if your other ghost is to the right like mine is, let's make our cloud underneath so we don't have to worry about overlaps. So go ahead and take your circle tool and make a few overlapping clouds. I want you to have at least 3 circles. I don't like the position of that one, so I will undo. Make another one here, and maybe I'll make another one here. Okay, so this would extrude, but it's kind of messy work to leave these lines intersecting. And really, the reason I wanted us to make a cloud is to introduce you to the trim tool, which looks like a pair of scissors. So once you have 3, 4, 5, how many clouds you want, you can select the trim tool, which is a sketch tool. So if you accidentally left your sketch, come back into your sketch and select the trim tool, the scissors, and then you can see as you mouse over pieces, they turn orange. If you click when they're orange, they disappear. So you're going to go ahead and click all of those inner intersecting lines. In fact, another way to use this is to drag it around. If I drag the trim tool around, it deletes any tool or any line that I intersect. You can't delete these dots because those dots just show the center point of the circle. So after deleting or trimming all your inner lines, we're now done with sketch mode, and we can click the green checkbox. And then if you can't see your cloud, make sure you can turn your sketch back on, show your sketch, and then just go back to extrude. Decide how thick you want the clouds to be. I might make them skinny. Yeah, and so that's what we covered in class today. So at this point, you're going to want to give me a good angle so I can see that all of your shapes are extruded. And then you can go ahead and get the snip tool. And you can grab a screen capture. Should copy automatically so that when you go into your, you have an Onshape April 8th page, and you can paste it there. I'll leave mine there for now, but I'll probably be deleting at one point, so go ahead and paste there. And then you'll be caught up for next class. Definitely reach out if you need help. And if things aren't going well, don't pull your hair out trying to figure it out. Just do as much as you can, and if you run into trouble, talk to me in class next week. Okay, good luck.